The assembly line of Henry Ford was a real revolution for the automotive sector, because it was a turning point in terms of production and expansion of this industry. In these more than 100 years, the evolution that has undergone the productive processes have been many and varied. However, it seems that they will remain in nothing, if you consider the 3D printers. This is what the Chinese company Polymaker proposes, since it has presented in society the first vehicle in the world that is manufactured, almost in its entirety, with this system. As explained by Polymaker, the development of the LSEV has been carried out by the Italian company X Electrical Vehicle, LSEV, taking into account that it should be produced following this method. In this way, if a vehicle to use is made up of more than 2,000 pieces, the LSEV only has 57, reducing its production process to only 3 hours. In addition, one of its advantages is that you can easily adapt the production rate to the actual demand, customize a vehicle to suit the customer, or even correct a fault in the same printer. For its development, X Electrical Vehicle, LSEV, engineers have taken between 3 and 12 months. According to them, if the design and development process of a conventional model oscillates between 3 and 5 years, with the system followed to create LSEV, the terms are shortened significantly. Thanks to this, in addition to entailing a lower cost for the brand, technical innovations can be tested at a lower risk. The most important technical details of the LSEV have not been revealed by Polymaker, although we know that it is equipped with an electrical mechanics of still unknown power, which allows it to reach a maximum speed of 70 km per hour. In addition, its battery pack of energy capacity yet to be confirmed, will allow a range between recharges of 150 km. The only parts that will not be manufactured by 3D printer are its chassis, windows and seats. However, these elements will not be a problem for the LSEV's tire, since according to Polymaker, the final weight on the scale will be at a discrete 450 kilos. Thanks to this, its productive cost will be 70% lower than that of its main rivals. However, Polymaker assures that it already has more than 7,000 firm orders from the LSEV. For now, there is already a unit displayed in the 3D Cultural Museum of Printing that is located in the Chinese city of Shanghai. Its arrival in the market is scheduled for mid-2019.